are called Veterans Coin Laundry. I spent 7 years in the United States Marine Corps Reserves. We are located in Mayport, Florida, which is just outside the Naval Air Station Mayport. Patriotic theme, red, white, and blue. Our goal is to give a percentage of the profits into something like maybe 22 a day or other Wounded Warriors projects. 5 60-pounders, 5 40, 5 30, 5 20s. We have 4 50-pound stacked dryers and 6 30-pound stacked dryers. We had looked at various payment options, obviously one being credit card readers on the machines themselves, but we're on a shoestring budget and that was just not in our, literally not in the budget. I think with the dual coin drop, you get many advantages that maybe with almost zero expense compared to what a card reader system costs. It seemed the next step to make it even better system for our Laundromat was to just have dollar pricing. So all our 60-pounders are $8. We have $6, $5, and $3 for the 20-pounders. We have full dryer times, start times, so you need $2 to start the dryers. It was all a way of just minimizing how fast the coin boxes would fill up. Imonex seemed to be the way that we would be able to solve the problem of having more time between collections with dollar coins, not filling up the coin boxes. The idea of using the Imonex drops, accepting quarters and dollars, we still to this day get about 10% of quarters of the revenue of quarters that walk in off the street. I'm on Imonex because it allows me to extend the time between coin box collections, also for busy weekends, and also with the dollar and quarter acceptance to not chase those customers away that show up with a roll of quarters.